Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class today. Dear learners, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe with your family. Today we discuss a new lesson. You know, every man has spent their free time in her own ways. Someone likes to play football, someone likes to reading or writing, someone likes gardening, someone likes drawing or painting. I think you also have some likings that you then you apply in your leisure time. Open your EFG book, page number 14, Unit 4, Leisure Time, Lesson 1-2. First of all, we know the new words of this passage. Please come to the board. I request you to take your notebook and write down these words. The first one, reporter. Reporter means a person who collects and reports for newspaper. Second, problem. Problem means a thing that is difficult to deal with. Pleasure, state of feeling. Spend, to give money to pay for goods. Leisure, leisure means free time. Connect, connect means to join together. Now we read the passage. Please listen this passage. Toman. Hi my friend, Nasrin and I are reporters for the English Club magazine. Would you mind answer some questions? Shima. Sure, no problem. It's my pleasure. Toman. Could you tell me your name and which class you are in? Shima. I'm Shima. I'm in class 5. Toman. How do you spend your leisure time, Shima? Shima. Well, I like to walk in the park. I also like to sing. My cousin lives in the UK. Sometimes I talk to her and her friends on the internet. Nasri. So, talking on the internet keeps you connected. Shima. That's right. Tomal to Biju. Hello. Can I ask you the same questions? Biju. My name's Biju and I'm in class 5 too. I love swimming. It keeps me fit. I also like painting. I'm not very good, but painting makes me happy. Tomal. What about reading? Do either of you like reading? Biju. I do. I often read magazines in my free time. I like magazines about sports, especially football and cricket. Shima. Oh, I like to read too. I love reading funny stories, especially stories of Nasiruddin Hoja. I think you understand this passage. Now, you go to the page number 15, lesson 3-4, activity B. Here you see answer and questions. The first question, who are the reporters? Who are the reporters? We know Tomal and Nasrin are the reporters. Tomal and Nasrin are the reporters. The second question, which magazine are they reporting for? Which magazine are they reporting for? Which magazine? They are reporting for English Club magazine. They are reporting for English Club magazine. Number 3, who are answering the reporter's question? Who are answering the reporter's question? We know Shima and Biju are answering the reporter's question. Number 4, what does Shima do in her leisure time? What does Shima do in her leisure time? We know in her leisure time, Shima likes to walk in the park. She also likes to sing. Sometimes she talks to her cousins and friends on the internet. Number 5. What does Biju do in her leisure time? What does Biju do in her leisure time? In his leisure time. In his leisure time, Biju likes swimming, painting, etc. What kind of magazine does Biju like? Biju likes sports magazine. Biju likes sports magazine because football and cricket are his favorite games. Because football and cricket are his favorite games. Number 7. What is another way to say leisure time? What is another way to say leisure time? In another way, leisure time is called free time. In another way, leisure time is called free time. We complete this question answer. You must practice this again and again, then you can memorize. Now we go to activity C. Complete the sentences. The first is done for us. I run in my free time. It keeps me fit. Second one, I paint in my free time. Dash gives dash pleasure. So it gives me pleasure. It gives me pleasure. I talk to my family in other countries in my free time. Dash keeps dash connected. So I write, it keeps me connected. It keeps me connected. I listen to music in my free time. Dash makes dash happy. I listen to music in my free time. It makes me happy. My grandmother exercises in her free time. Dash keeps dash healthy. It keeps her healthy. It keeps her healthy. My father writes poetry in his free time. Dash gives dash pleasure. So we write, it gives him pleasure. It gives him pleasure. Today we finish here our lesson. Now I give you a homework. Please write down. Homework. What do you do in your free time? What do you in your free time? What do you in your free time? And why you do it? Your homework. What do you in your free time and why you do it? Please write down this homework and send it to the school mail. I hope you understand today's lesson. We discuss a new lesson in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.